What is up, mother truckers? It's your boy Trucker Dumar coming up to you today with another video. It's another day, another video for another day. What is up, mother truckers? It's your boy Trucker Dumar coming up to you today with another video. Anyway, today is another day, another video. And today I'm gonna share with you 2 tips and tricks that's gonna make you drive like a boss. If you're pulling or hauling container out of the rail yard, you're in Atlanta, Georgia, those tips and tricks will save you a lot of time and make you drive like a champion. All right, let's go. You see this? Whenever you come to the rail yard, you come to CSX to drop a box, drop a container, and they say to go to TTR. It doesn't matter, TTR 173, 174. If you have to go to TTR and they say to drop the box, let me show you something. You see those lines? There's the yellow one, there's a black one, yellow and black. You know what they put them here? It's because there's a limit range for crane. You know, when crane pick up the box and drop the box, they want you to synchronize the distance when you drop the box, so when crane come to pick up the box, they don't have the problem. This is why they have those lines on the floor. Today I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to find this spot. This is my landing gear. My landing gear is between the black line and the yellow line. And this is all they want it. They want it to be in between those 2 lines. In order to find this, because there's no way when you're sitting in the car, you cannot see here, you cannot see the landing gear here because it's under the box. There's no way you can see it. I'm gonna show you tips how to find it. When you back into the spot, after you get the truck straight and you're backing all the way to the back, yeah, mother truckers, the easy way for you to find this in between those 2 lines, the black and yellow, to get the landing gear in between those 2 lines is you're gonna look on that mirror. You back in after you get the truck all the way straight to the spot. Look on this mirror. Look on the ground. You see those drive tires, the front and the rear drive tire. If you see this, it's been when you're looking in the mirror, you're gonna look on the ground when you're backing, and those drive tires, the front and the back one, you want to see this first black line and in between those drive tires. This is the back one, this is the front one, called front, rear, front. You want to see the first black line on the ground in between those 2 drive tires. You're gonna see this when you look in the mirror when you back in, and you look on that mirror. When you look in that mirror, you're gonna see look on the ground. You look in the mirror, you look on the ground. You're gonna see the first black line, and you want to see those 2 drive tires. You want the first black line in the middle of those 2 drive tires. If you see this, you just stop. And what's gonna happen is the landing gear gonna be in between those 2 lines, and it's gonna be where they want it to be. If you follow those steps, and tricks, you're gonna be driving like a champion. You will never be in trouble with the CSX because they were very strict. If you forget to unlock the pin, that's a problem. You can get banned. So guys, thank you for watching this short video, and go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm gonna make another tips and trick for you when you pick up box or to set up the chassis.